What's going on, viewers? Welcome back again to another episode. In this episode, we are going to be installing an active subwoofer for this car. Stay tuned. Let us go ahead and remove the AC vents and the head unit. Right out of the box, we have the instruction manual, the wire kit, the base controller, and the beautiful subwoofer. This compact and stealthy active subwoofer is a Class AB powerhouse with 130 watts RMS peak of 350 watts. It's designed to fit right under your seat, making it perfect for those who want to keep their cargo space but lose their weak factory sound. It's incredibly versatile, the high-level input makes integration easy, plus it comes with the wide remote, so you can dial in your bass level on the fly without touching your setting. To properly install this unit, you'll also need additional high-quality audio wiring kit since it didn't come with one. And next we gotta locate the wiring loom grommet in the engine bay. Install the ground wire to the vehicle chassis and feed it through underneath the carpet. Just double check your head unit manual on where to tap the M control wire and subwoofer output. Then find a suitable spot to mount the base controller, and I like to hide it here. Let's feed the power cable through the vehicle firewall safely. Lastly, to tidy up the wiring, I like to use wiring protector to make it look nice. I'm going to put it right here with double side tape. Don't forget to add some Velcro tape to secure the subwoofer underneath the seat. you are looking for a rich, punchy system that fills the cabin without rattling the neighbor's window, this unit is the sweet spot of performance and value. It's compact, powerful, and classic Blaupunkt quality. And that is a wrap for today's video. What are you guys running in your daily driver? Let me know in the down comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more install videos. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.